Hi students, hope you all are fine and staying safe at your home. Now, this is the time for revision, and our revision topic is picture description. Here you can see a picture along with word bank. So, first you have to look at the picture carefully. Then, look at the verb bank that is given to you. Then, use these words in writing the sentences about the picture. As you can see, it is a picture of a jungle. So, first sentence may be it is a picture of a jungle. So, I use the word jungle from the word bank. Here I solved first sentence for you. Rest of the sentences you have to solve by yourself. As I told you in the video which was shared earlier at the Broadway YouTube channel. Hope you understand well. Goodbye. See you next time.